What's up, YouTube? Here we are with part 1 of the build series. The first thing we're gonna have to do to get this engine to fit right is, if you look down here, I've marked it with yellow chalk. We need to cut that so it can wrap around this bottom frame mount. This bottom frame mount's oval, not round, and we're gonna need to get that extra little bit of room there to get everything to fit perfect. All right, here we go. After we've marked the yellow, now I'm going to tell you, when you cut this, you want to be real careful because we are cutting into the case. So you want to stay on these lines as close as you can. You do not want to cut into the case of the motor. Let's get the other side. Now, if you saw what I was doing there, I was letting the blade do all the cutting. I wasn't putting no nasty force on it. Here we are after we've cut it. You can see we're a lot closer now. So what we're going to do is, right around here, we're going to take the grinding wheel, some sandpaper, and we're just going to smooth all this out. But we're almost in there nice now. So I'm just going to clean up these burrs. Get her to where she sits nice. Let's clean up all these edges. Here we go. We got it fitted. It's tight down there. Back here we're looking good. And then the actual placement's really nice. So now that we got that fitted, we can move on to the next stage.